Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
We found 11. We fixed 6 on one side and 5 on other side. And half an hour later, the wheel was in its place again. It need hardly be added that it really did wobble now. A child might have noticed it. He said it would do for the present. Then author's friend and author, they were finding out the screw and they found it 11. So his friend fixed 6 wheel on one side and 5 on other side, and then he just fixed the wheel, and he was asking the author, see, now the wheel is not moving at present time. तो ऑथर और उसका दोस्त दोनों स्क्रू ढूंढ रहे थे। उन्हें 11 स्क्रू मिले, तो उसके दोस्त ने एक साइड 5 और दूसरे साइड 6 लगाकर इस तरह उसने व्हील को जैसे तैसे साइकिल के साथ जोड़ दिया। और फिर ऑथर से कहने लगे, देखो अब ये नहीं हिल रहा है अभी के लिए, ठीक है। आई सेड वॉचिंग यू डू दिस इज ऑफ रियल यूज टू मी. It is not only your skill that fascinates me, it is your cheery confidence in yourself, your inexcusable, capable hopefulness that does me good. Then author said, really you are a good fellow, you are a good friend that attract me, and really I am happy to have you because you have a self confidence. You do this work with a self confidence. फिर ऑथर ने कहा कि मैं बहुत खुश नसीब हूँ कि आप जैसा दोस्त मुझे मिला और आप काम इतनी अच्छी तरह से कर रहे हो कि जैसे आपको पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है अपने आप में. Then encouraged, he set to work to refix the gear case. He stood the bicycle against the house and worked from the off side. Then he stood it against a tree and worked from the on side. Then it held it for him while he lay on the ground with his head between the wheel and worked it at it from below. He dropped oil upon himself. Then he took it away from me and doubled himself across it till he lost his balance and slid over onto his head. When the author was praising his friend, he became very happily. Then he took the bicycle and kept his bicycle by the side of the wall of the house. Then he repaired the cycle facing to the author. Then again he took the bicycle and placed near the tree and it started repairing on the other side. This way he was sometimes this side, sometime another side. He was just repairing the cycle, and as he was moving from right side, left side, up side, down side, he slipped and fall on the ground. तो जैसे ही ऑथर ने उसकी तारीफ़ की, वो बहुत खुश हुआ और साइकिल को उठाकर कभी घर की दीवार के साइड रख रहा था तो कभी पेड़ के सहारे वो साइकिल को खड़ी कर कर रिपेयर कर रहा था और बहुत खुश था क्योंकि इस ऑथर ने उसकी तारीफ़ कर दी थी। तो वो कभी आगे से, कभी पीछे से, कभी दाएं, कभी बाएं वो साइकिल को रिपेयर करते जा रहा था और ऐसे करते करते वो स्लिप खा गया और नीचे ज़मीन पर गिर गया। Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing, the bicycle. I was glad to see show spirit, and the subsequent proceedings degenerated into the little else than a rough and tumble fight between him and the machine. One moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and he on top of it. The next, the position would be reversed. He on the gravel path, the bicycle on him. Now he would be standing flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his triumph would be short lived. By a sudden, quick movement, it would free itself and turning upon him, hit him sharply over the head with one of its handle. When the author fell on the ground, he became very angry, and in a angry, he was roughly repairing the bicycle. When he was roughly working with the bicycle, what happened? Sometime the author friend was on the ground and cycle on him, and sometime cycle on the ground and author friend was on the bicycle. So this way he was doing upside and downside, and with this the author's friend become very dirty, his clothes also, his body also become very dirty, and he was fed up of repairing the cycle. Then he stood and he told to the author, see, I am the winner because I had repaired the bicycle. तो ऑथर का दोस्त जब ज़मीन पे गिरा बहुत गुस्सा हो गया और वो साइकिल को ज़ोर ज़ोर से कभी रिपेयर करने लगा। तो कभी साइकिल ज़मीन पे गिरती थी और ऑथर का दोस्त साइकिल के ऊपर, और कभी ऑथर का दोस्त ज़मीन पे तो साइकिल उसके ऊपर। इस तरह से दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई चल रही थी। अभी ऐसे करते करते बहुत टाइम बीत गया और ऑथर का दोस्त थक गया और लास्ट में उसने ऐसे ही कह दिया ऑथर से कि देखो मैं जीत गया हूँ, मैंने आपकी साइकिल को बहुत अच्छी तरह से रिपेयर कर दिया। इस तरह से करके वो खड़ा हो गया। At 1:15, dirty, dishevelled, cut and bleeding, he said, I think that will do, and rose and whipped his brow. The bicycle looked as if it also had had enough of it, which had received most punishment. It would have been difficult to say. I took him into back kitchen, where so far as was possible he cleaned himself. Then I went. Then I sent him home. Now it was going to be 1. The author saw that his clothes become very dirty. He himself, author's friend, had become very dirty, so he took him to the backside of the kitchen and asked him to wash his face and all. And then author, he was self-murmuring. When self-murmuring means talking to self only, himself only, that his cycle has been punished very badly by his friend. And he asked his friend, now so it is going to be 1. So your parents may be waiting for you, so it is better not to go on a cycle ride. It is better that we should move to our own home. तो ऑथर ने देखा कि उसके दोस्त के कपड़े, उसका शरीर बहुत गंदा हो चुका है, मिट्टी लगी है। तो उसने क्या किया, ऑथर ने अपने दोस्त को रसोई घर के पीछे ले गया और कहा यहाँ पे आप अपने मुंह हाथ अच्छी तरह से धो लो। और मन में वो ऐसे सोच रहा था, हाय मेरी बेचारी साइकिल को कितनी बुरी तरह से पनिश दे दिया है, कितनी बुरी तरह से उसे खोल रहा था, फिर लगा रहा था, ऐसे सोच रहा था। और फिर उसने अपने दोस्त से कहा, देखो भैया अब 1 बज चुके हैं और अपने पेरेंट्स अपना इंतज़ार कर रहे होंगे, तो इससे अच्छा अभी हम साइकिल राइड नहीं जाएंगे, तो आप अपने घर चले जाओ और मैं अपने घर चले जाता हूँ। तो इस तरह बच्चों, here we had completed our lesson. So do the reading of the lesson, and in next video I'm going to discuss the question answer with you.